This is 2024, and with the current economy, you shouldn't be spending a fortune on car maintenance. Welcome to the Auto Sparkle Show. In today's video, we're bringing you the top 5 low-maintenance cars to own in 2024. These hassle-free vehicles are perfect for those who want to cut down on repair costs and spend more time enjoying the ride. Number 1 on our list is the Toyota Corolla. Known for its reliability and longevity, the Corolla requires minimal maintenance and offers excellent fuel efficiency. With its durable build and reputation for trouble-free ownership, you can count on the Corolla to keep you on the road with peace of mind. Estimated yearly maintenance cost, $250 to $350. Next up, we have the Honda Civic. The Civic is not only a popular choice for its stylish design and practicality but also for its low maintenance needs. With Honda's well-known reputation for engineering excellence, the Civic delivers a smooth and worry-free driving experience, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a low-maintenance car. Estimated yearly maintenance costs $250 to $500. Moving on to our third pick, the Hyundai Elantra. With its sleek design and affordable price tag, the Elantra is a great option for those looking for a low-maintenance car without compromising style or comfort. Packed with modern technology and backed by Hyundai's excellent warranty, this car offers worry-free ownership for years to come. Estimated yearly maintenance cost, $350 to $450. Our fourth contender is the Subaru Impreza. This compact car is not only a favorite among performance enthusiasts but also for its reliability and affordability. With symmetrical all-wheel drive and a well-built interior, the Impreza offers a confident and comfortable driving experience, all while requiring minimal upkeep. Estimated yearly maintenance cost, $350 to $700. Last but not least, at number 1, we have the untouchable Toyota Prius. This hybrid king has dominated the low-maintenance game for years, and 2024 is no different. With exceptional fuel economy, minimal repairs needed, and Toyota's unbeatable reliability, the Prius is the ultimate money-saving machine on wheels. Estimated yearly maintenance cost, $200 to $300. So, there you have it, our top 5 low-maintenance cars to own in 2024. Whether you prioritize reliability, fuel efficiency, or style, these vehicles have got you covered. Say goodbye to those hefty repair bills and hello to a hassle-free driving experience. Thank you for watching our video.
Today's show was brought to you by Autosparkle, Africa's leading waterless automotive detailing brand. Learn more about Autosparkle on www.myautoSparkle.com and follow @myAutoSparkle across social media. Just before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your posts notifications so you don't miss the next best thing, since man could get moved around by a machine.